Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel Experimental Gardening. Today's video is about collecting your canna lily seeds. I have this plant and now it is about to finish its flowering. It is the month of October, so I am going to collect the seeds. I have also collected like last month some seeds which I left them outdoor to dry out. So once they dry out, then it is easy to take out the seeds, and seeds will also be ripened fully. So you can check the seeds. If this is black, then they are viable. If they are not black, then they are not viable. So just take a pot and open it with your fingers. You will the dry seeds are easy to open, and because their shell is already fully ripened and they are easy to take it out. So take out the seeds. Every pot mostly has 8 to 10 seeds, or some have more seeds. If the pot size is bigger, then they may be having 15 to 16 seeds. So this pot, you can see it has like 10 to 12 seeds, and they all are black. They are fully viable seeds. So collect all the seeds and put them in a ziplock for future growing of them. So normally they they need some scarification to grow them. So I will make a video in the month of March or April next year. So this is 2024 October. So next year in 2025 April I will make another video through how to grow them. So just collect all the seeds, whatever you have. Some seeds you will see they are like brown color and some are black, but brown is also viable. You can grow them. And if it is white, then the white seeds are not viable, and they will not be grown because they will not produce any plant. So like this one is white, you can see. So this is not viable. I am going to throw it away, and I am not going to store it. So just leave the uh, seed pods in outdoor for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Once they dry out, then start taking out the seeds from them. Those seeds will be viable. So guys, you see that I have collected so many seeds from these pods, and they are about maybe more than 50 seeds I have collected from this one plant. And you can see that in this box I have put all of them, and they are very black and nice seeds. They will be viable and I will grow next year. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you will also take out the seeds from your canna lily plant, and you will be able to get so many plants next year. And they are very beautiful. They give you flower like 6 months. So it is very good to take their seeds out and keep them for the next season. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.